What's going on, YouTube? Official Keith here. As you can see, this is the dash cam. Let me see if I can focus a little bit. This is the dash cam that I got in the previous video. I have it mounted on the window here, just below my toe tag. And you can also see the wires. Now I have one wire running here, which is for the radar detector. And I have the other one in here, which is for the actual dash cam to get power. I am going to hardwire the dash cam and the radar detector. So the radar detector, let me see if I can do this. The radar detector is going to get power from this guy right here. I don't know how this camera's pointing or where you can see that or not, but these mirrors are they are powered because I believe if a light shines in your from behind you really bright, then it'll adjust and turn blue or something. And then plus you have you have SOS and assist. But I did want to show you that I did, when I put in the second camera, which is mounted in the back. Let me see if I can run this camera. I pretty much ran it. Let me just point. It'd probably be easier. I just ran it all through here. Now at this point, I've seen most YouTubers or people who post videos, they'll run the wire and then they'll go down like this and then they'll go and snake and do all that stuff. I'm gonna do that for the power, but for the camera, I actually went up top. And there's some, hold on, there's some weather stripping that's right here. You can get in there, you see that right there? You can get in there and you can run cable all through that. So you don't even necessarily have to pull this part right here. I know there's, I believe, an airbag or something right here. Kind of don't want to mess with that. So there's some weather stripping on the other side. And I ran it pretty much all the way around to the top, and then it comes out right there. So it's real simple to do. But now what I want to show you is where I'm gonna mount the or connect the wires for the power to the dash cam. All right, I had to move the cargo net out the way, and yes, I used the cargo net. And basically, charges and challenges alike, and of course that cargo net's getting in the way. Hold on, you gotta love that hook on the charges and challenges. Anyway, where I'm gonna hook this up, the hard wire, the ground cable, I'm gonna put right here. So I'll ground it right here, and then inside the fuse box, now I don't know which one of these it'll go into, but it'll easily go into one of these down here. And there's two different options that you'll have. So the first option is to have it to where the camera continuously runs 24/7. It doesn't stop until you turn it off. The second option, which is what I'm going to do, is I'm going to have it to where the power to the camera comes on when the car turns on, and then when the car turns off, the camera turns off. Simple as that. It's a real easy install. If you watch a bunch of videos, like I've watched a lot of videos on where people were doing mountings and whatnot, and you can basically go through that back seat, and there's a right here in this corner is the little flap that you can lift up, and you can easily cover the wire, or have the wires covered, and then it'll easily just run right back here to the back. All right, so just to give you an idea, of how the wire's gonna run. And forgive my car, I need to vacuum, I know. Once I run down this, I'm just gonna run it all the way down, just like this. And you can lift this little piece and you can tuck, lift and tuck, all the way through the back. And you'll keep going through here. And you can even go in between this area right here. Let me go ahead and this was the little flap that I was telling you about. You can lift that up, and you can even see here that you can run the cable right through to the back there. I was wondering where that went. But you can run the cable right through the back, and then run it to the fuse terminal, and you'll be good to go there. Dodge, baby. As always, thanks for taking some time out to watch my videos. If you like this video, smash that like button. If you subscribe to the channel, make sure you click on that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Until next time, this is Official Keith. You're now official. We'll see you later.